Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Excuse
morning.
me, ma'am.
Yes,
Can you repeat what we need?
A4 size paper, color paper or white paper. Okay.
Hello,
Be ready,
ma'am.
students.
Hello, ma'am.
Fast.
I've taken one paper, so it is.
Okay. Okay. Let everyone join. There is still one more minute.
Now, what we have to do?
Bring A4 size white paper or colored papers. Either one or more than one also you can bring. We are going to do the activity based on today's class. As you all know, we are going to start the new chapter today.
Ma'am, the chapter is full of the circle, no?
Yes. So now I'm going to start the class. We will wait one more minute and then we start the class. Everyone should have pen, pencil with them. Pencil because this chapter is completely, we will use the pencil in this chapter because we are drawing in this chapter, right? So in this chapter, we completely use the pencil. Everyone should have the pencil every day. Okay. Now I'm going to play one game with you all. Be ready. We turn on your camera, everyone. Bhavya Saga, Tej Kumar, Vedant, Aradhya. Turn on your camera, everyone. Before starting the chapter, the name of the chapter is Carts and Wheels, chapter number 8. What is the name of the students? Can you repeat after me?
Cards and wheels.
Yeah,
Cards
Carts
and
and
wheels.
Carts and Wheels. So, what do you think? What are we going to learn in this chapter?
Ma'am, circles
We
about circles.
have a class rule. Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Tej Kumar.
Ma'am, we will run circle shapes like this.
Okay. Moksh.
Ma'am, we will run about circle and its radius points and that.
Very good. Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, we are going to learn. This chapter is all based on round. We are going to learn some round games which are played in round circles.
Okay.
Then how to make circles in muds and clay. Radius.
Very good.
How,
Yes,
how to
Grant.
make proper circles with compass.
Very good. Excellent. So it shows that you have already read few of the pages of your notebook because the activities which you are discussing right now is already given in your textbook. Okay. Yes, Dhyan Patel.
We are learning how to make circle like
Yeah.
that.
Okay. So now we play one game. Students, turn on your camera. Then only it will be possible with to see you all, and you will all also feel interesting, right?
Ma'am,
It is a treasure hunt game. Yes, Vedant.
today we have to bring a round object, so I bring it.
Okay, you already brought. Okay. Now, students, go explore in your surroundings, go and bring some round objects. And the child, wait, I have not started yet. When I will say one, two, three, start, then only you will, children will start and move
Ma'am, I
around.
am at the school. I don't have any
It's
round.
okay. Anne, I can understand. It's okay. So, move around to your surroundings. Okay, and bring some round objects. The child who will bring maximum round objects will be the winner of the game. Wait, Dan Patel. Yes. Wait. When I will start one, two, three, then only you will start moving. So again, I will repeat. What is the game? It's a treasure hunt game that you have to move and look around your surroundings and check which all the things are round in shape. Bring them. The child who will bring maximum round objects will be the winner of the game. So I will start the game. One, two, three, start.
Ma'am, see.
Very good, very good. But wait, and I will give you a 2 to 3 minutes time to bring this.
Ma'am, I have done.
Not only one, I want maximum. The child who will bring maximum round objects will be the winner. Grant, turn on your camera, please. Switching off your camera and going is not the solution. Turn on your camera and go. Jiga Singh, sit at your place. I will say stop, you have to come back.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
11:51, I will say stop. And you have to arrange your camera in such a way that you can show me all the round objects and explain me. I can see Vishnu has brought all
Ma'am, I have
full
nothing.
kitchen in the room. 11:51, I will say stop. Okay, it's 11:51 now. Stop and come back to your places, everyone. Come back to your place. Stop.
Ma'am, I only have a treat.
One by one, I will call your name and I will ask from you how many objects you brought, and you have to show me your objects. Yes, Grant.
I have
Show me.
nothing, ma'am.
You don't have anything at home in the round objects. एक बच्चा एक बॉटल का कैप भी उतार देते ना, that also in the round, right? Okay, yes, Vihan Dobariya, show me.
Yes. In this there are a lot of marbles and
No, this is the sphere. This is not the round. Flat surface is the circular shape.
I'm saying the marbles in it.
Marbles are the circular.
Yeah.
Circle is in the flat shape. It's a 2D shape. But marbles are the 3D.
Yeah, see.
So I'm not discussing about 3D.
In 2D.
Yes, circle.
Oh, 2D.
Ma'am, I only bring 3D only.
Okay, please raise your virtual hand and write in the chat box how many items you have bought. Okay, Vihan, how many
Ma'am,
objects
can
are
I
in
say-
total?
Ma'am, look, I will show you all of them that I found.
Please show me fast.
Yeah. I'm moving the
Wait.
camera. Wait a minute. I'm bringing the phone.
Okay, I will go to the move to the next child. Yes, Dhyan Patel, how many objects you have?
4 objects.
4 objects. Okay.
Ma'am,
Please
can I
write.
say-
Someone please write the names and the right. Can anyone take the responsibility?
Yes, ma'am, I can take.
Ma'am, Anya?
Yeah. Manya, please take that. Vedant brought 4 objects. Not Vedant, Dhyan Patel. Yes, Vedant. You brought how many objects?
5.
5. Can you show me?
One is this rubber band
Okay.
and this small ball, rubber ball.
This
Then
is sphere. These
Yes.
are sphere. These are not 2D.
Here, but ma'am, I can't find any 2D. There is only coins nearby.
You can at least bring the coin also, no?
Then this
Your mama is wearing bangle.
yes.
I have 26.
Okay.
This is not
Yes, Vishrut.
here.
Please show me. Because when you were bringing, no, I was noticing that you bought the full kitchen here. in the room.
Yes, I have 9 objects. Ma'am, I have total 11.
But I will count 1 plate and 1 object only. If you bring
Ma'am,
all the plates,
Ma'am,
good. So can you
Ma'am,
count the
again?
4 some different objects? 1 bowl, 1 plate, one objects from the group of the objects.
Ma'am,
Wait, no, ma'am, in the class. Please, sorry.
Ma'am, one bowl. I mean, one small bowl,
Yes.
one medium bowl, one plate. A bigger plate,
Very good.
small plate,
Ma'am, it's of different size.
and
Different types of plates. So how many objects are there
and a
total,
big bowl.
Vishnu? Please count.
Ma'am, 11.
Okay, Nishwa, please show
Ma'am,
your
I have
objects. How many
Ma'am,
objects
because
you have?
it has a cap also.
No child will say, ma'am, I have 22 students in my class. I will give everyone chance. Tej Kumar, if you turn on your mic and speak ma'am now, I will remove you from my class, please. Follow some
Ma'am.
class rules. No ma'am, ma'am, please, Ane. No ma'am, ma'am. When ma'am will come to you, then you share. Yes, Nishwa.
This is color box. Means color box.
Plate, okay.
Then
One,
it is a bowl.
two.
Then it is a hair dryer bag.
No, this will not come. You will not able to draw the proper circle with this.
And this.
Yeah, three.
Then a small is upper one.
Will you able to draw the circle with this?
Yes.
I don't think. Okay, three, then four.
It is this.
Four only?
Yes.
Ma'am, I can show.
Again, the child is saying, I can show. So write four for Nishwa Manya. Yes, now I will go to Tej Kumar.
Yes, ma'am. I have one, this, one,
Hmm.
two,
Two,
three,
three,
four,
four,
five,
five,
Ma'am, his camera is not.
six,
six,
seven,
seven,
8,
hmm,
9,
nine,
10,
yes, 10,
11,
11.
12,
Don't repeat, 12.
yes, 12, 13,
Hmm.
14,
Hmm.
15,
Very good.
16,
Hmm.
17,
Okay.
18,
Hmm. Water bottle is also there.
yes, 19,
So what you will use? Which 19?
ma'am, then this, 20,
Okay. 20,
21.
21, and
21,
22,
22.
23.
Ma'am, there is one.
24. Okay, enough. More. Okay, write 24 for Vihan. Yes, sorry, Tej Kumar. Yes, Viva.
Ma'am, can I say?
No, can I say? I will give chance to all the
I
students.
have this glue.
Wait a minute. Before moving ahead, I want to explain you one thing. Those students who have already spoken about their objects and show me the objects and we have noted down their name, they take any 5 circular things. For example, I have also like these things. I have one coin. I have one this cap. I have one the sellotape one. This one. So this way you can select any 5 objects with a circular thing. I have one button also, right? So take any 5 of different objects. Why I am telling 5 different objects? Because the size of this coin is different. The size of this is different. The size of this is different when I draw the circle, and the size of this sellotape will be different. The size of this button will be different. The size when I draw the circle with this will be different. So take any 5 different objects which are in circular shape, Draw the circle in your notebook. If you are drawing with the coin, draw with the coin and write in the center coin. Then if you are taking button, draw the circle with the button and write in the center button. Okay. Then if you are taking a cap of any box, draw the circle with the cap of box and write the cap of box. Right. This way, draw five different size of circles in your notebook. Use 2 pages. Maybe it is okay for you. So
Ma'am,
yeah.
I can show. Ma'am, I can show.
Outside tape this.
Yes, take for the circle. So please note your 5 circles will be in the different size. छोटे से बड़ा, arrange them in the ascending order or the descending order, whichever the order you like. Arrange them in that order, but it should be of different 5 circles. Small, then little big, then little big, then little big, and the big will become at the last. Got it, everyone? Okay. So if the child whose chance have already come, they please start drawing. And the child whose chance has still not come, they also please start drawing. Because now when I will ask to the students, it will take time. Okay. So now Viva, please.
Ma'am, what? Ma'am?
No child will say ma'am in between. Vihan Dobaria, strictly come back to your place. I will give you a chance to speak. Yes, Viva, please. Yes, Vedant.
Ma'am, I have a question, ma'am. Ma'am, what you were saying, ma'am? I have a network connection, so ma'am, I couldn't hear you.
Take 5 different size of circle objects and trace them in your notebook. Suppose you are taking this one. I have this, maybe you don't have this, but if I am taking this, I will trace it with the pencil in my notebook. This is called tracing. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
By taking the
trace this on notebook or we have to trace this on A4 size paper?
no in your notebook.
Ma'am, what I can write on this circle?
Now can I show?
Jug circle, mug circle, whatever. Yeah.
Ma'am, now can I show?
Ma'am,
No one will say can I actually leave? I have my class rule. Leave my class if you don't follow the class rule. Yes, Viva.
what is the glue? We have to draw in a A4 size paper or notebook.
Notebook. Yes, one object, Viva.
Glue,
Hmm.
glue.
Second is
Then this AirPods case.
okay. 2,
Then this tape.
3.
Then this rubber band.
Will you able to trace the circle with this rubber band? Because
No.
elasticity होती है ना रबड़ में, आपने उसको थोड़ा खींचा तो आपका सर्कल प्रॉपर नहीं बनेगा. It is showing in a circular form
This
right
hat?
now, but when you okay, this hat is in a okay. Will you able to trace the circle with the proper hat?
No.
So how
The
many
scarf?
total objects you have? Can you count?
Okay.
Can you count
10.
fast? 10.
10.
Okay, right for Viva 10. Yes, Niva, how many objects you have?
Ma'am, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6.
6. Can you show few of the objects?
Yes, this is one.
Okay.
Circle.
Hmm.
And then this conditioner.
Okay.
Then this glass.
Okay.
Then this.
Okay. Good. Now we move to the next child.
Ma'am, I
Please
can
write.
say.
Please
Ma'am, I can
write for.
say.
I will not listen to the child that will say the child who is saying I can say. Sorry. Kuchimali, leave my class if you don't follow the class rule. Yes, next child is Danya.
Yes,
How many objects you have?
Ma'am, I have 9 or 10.
Can you show few of us?
Ma'am.
Yes. Ma'am, this is a stool.
Hmm.
Then this is a hula hoop.
Hmm.
Then there is a magnifying glass.
Okay. Good, good. So total you
Then
have 9 to 10.
there is
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Yes,
then
next child.
I have a coin.
Good, 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 Dania. Rajvi Nikhare, how many objects you have? Manya, you are writing, right? Manya?
Yes, ma'am, I am writing.
Okay. Rajveer? How many objects you have, Rajvi Nikhare? Turn on your mic.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
32.
can I show?
32 objects.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show
Ma'am,
few of them?
Ma'am, one this carom one.
Hmm. Okay.
Cap.
Okay.
Ma'am, this
Yes.
one is also cap.
Yes. Okay. Now start tracing 5 different circles in your notebook, Rajvi. So total, how many you said,
Okay,
Rajvi?
ma'am. 32.
Okay. Anne,
Ma'am,
start showing me now.
Ma'am, ma'am, I have this
Okay.
and I have its cap,
Okay. 2.
this sharpener,
Hmm.
then this,
Okay. Very good.
it's over.
How many objects you have in total?
5.
5. Yes, Vihan. Show us.
Yes. I got this ball.
Again, you bought the ball. It's a sphere. It's a 3D.
Yeah. What? A triangle.
Vihan, I told you, no, ball, marble is in the sphere shape. It's a 3D shape.
This cup. And this.
Hmm.
This sharpener.
Hmm.
And this mug.
Okay. Can you show me total how many objects you have? Count.
Owl.
Count
And
the objects.
this 19.
19. Okay, write 19 for Vihan. Yes, Vishrut is done. Kevian, you have brought some objects? Kevian? Your mic is not working? Working? Then speak. You have not brought any object? Then write in the chat box. Write in the chat box. Okay. Rajveer is done. Divit. Divit.
Yes.
How many objects you brought, bacha? Divit. Show us the objects, bacha. Oh, okay. Okay. How many are total in that? Total, how many objects you have?
Ma'am, I will count and tell you.
Count and tell. Then I will come back to you. Next is Nishwa done, Vishrut done, Kevian done, Bhavya Sagar. Count your objects, total number of objects, and tell me. Count fast. Jigar Singh, count fast. Jigar Singh.
Ma'am, I am finding.
Ma'am, I have 4 objects.
Show me one or two, at least some objects.
Yes, ma'am. But I keep again.
No problem. Next is Viva done, Niva done. Suchi. Yes, please show us, Suchi, how many total objects you have. Suchi.
One this object.
Wait, Jigar Singh now. Wait. Suchi, please speak. speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Show
Yes,
your
ma'am.
objects.
I have a yes, ma'am. I have a color cap,
Okay.
water bottle cap,
Okay.
Bonvita cap,
Okay.
a cap of medicine,
How many total objects you have? Can you count and tell? Very good.
Ma'am, by
Ma'am,
mistake
how
I
can I
said
take?
it was
Ma'am, how can I take?
24. By mistake I said
So it was how many total, Vihan?
24.
24. Okay. You, Suchi, have how many total?
8.
8. Okay. So who is left?
Ma'am,
Jigar Singh is
ma'am,
4.
I.
Jigar Singh, yes, please show.
Ma'am, I have a glass of water
Hmm.
and one milk bowl.
Okay. So how many total you have?
4, ma'am.
4. Okay. Next is Kashvi. Manya, you will get the chance at the last because
Okay, ma'am.
you voluntarily
Ma'am,
paying a duty. Yes.
can you see the number? How many Divit has?
Divit has not counted yet. Yes, Divit, tell me how many you have?
Ma'am, 13.
13. Granth, how many you have total objects?
5.
5. Kashvi, how many total you have?
Ma'am, 16.
16. Can you show us few of the objects?
Ma'am, this glue bottle,
Yes.
this paint,
Okay.
this,
Hmm.
and this,
Hmm.
then this part.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I don't have
Ma'am,
much
this
time to see all the 16, but good that you have collected. Yes.
Now can I?
Except, yes, David, tell me how many you have.
Ma'am, I will show you.
No, you count and tell us. You already showed us some
Ma'am,
of the
13.
objects. 13.
13.
Repeat again. Divit, repeat again. Don't show the
Okay,
objects
ma'am.
now. Repeat the number of the objects. It's 1, 3, 13 or 1, 4, 14.
Ma'am, 13.
3, 0.
No, ma'am, 13. 1, 3.
1, 3. Right, 13 for. Except Mania, is there any other child is left in the class for showing the objects? Moksha?
Ma'am,
Moksha, please show.
ma'am, I have made.
Hello, ma'am. I have this bangle.
I have
Hmm.
made it the.
Then I have
Okay.
this means a cap
Hmm.
of medicine. Then I have this measurement means one. This is also that one only this.
How many objects total you have, Moksha?
Ma'am, I have 8 objects.
8 objects. Okay, write 8 for Moksha. Yes, Manya, you speak now.
Yes, ma'am. I have a small bookmark in
Very.
circle shape. Then medicine,
Hmm.
and it also has a cap.
Hmm.
Then
Okay.
and this.
Okay. So how many total you have?
1 minute, ma'am.
Wait, Vedant. Yes, Vedant, tell me.
Ma'am,
17 objects.
Write 17 your
and
near to
one
your
student is left.
Kevian.
Yes, Kavian is left.
Yeah, but Kevian is not speaking. His mic is not working.
And ma'am, I have made it the circles.
Okay. So as I told you to draw the circles, please show me. Take your notebooks and show me that everyone draw the circles or not. Then after that, I will declare the winner. Manya, tell me who is the winner, who has collected most of the objects. Very good, Danya, Grant. They are showing me, Vedant. They are showing me that they have drawn the different circles. Very good. Please draw the different circles. Yes, with Manya. Who is the winner?
Ma'am, the winner is Rajvir Nikhare. He has got 32
Collected
objects.
32. Rajveer Nikhare, can you bring your camera near to your object so that we can see all the 32 objects?
Ma'am, I have kept all.
You have capped all. Next winner is second.
Yes, ma'am. The second one is Tej Kumar and Vihan. They
Tej
both
Kumar,
have
you have all the things near to you?
they both have 24.
Ma'am,
Tej
yes.
Kumar.
Ma'am, I
Tej
have more
Kumar.
than 20.
More than 24. Can you please show us all the things which are near to you with the camera turning? No, no, एक एक करके नहीं. We have already seen. Together, I want to see all the 24.
Ma'am,
एक साथ एक कैमरा टर्न करके मुझे दिखाओ. Yes, Viva, what do you want to ask?
I want to show you something that I learned from
Okay,
my
what
man,
you have
my
learned?
tuition man.
Can we do later on? Okay, you are showing me. Okay, radius. Yeah, that we do in the coming class. Okay, so second winner is Tej Kumar and the
And Vihan Dobaria. They both have equal points and
equal. So can we
have
clap for the winners? Because they have done lot of efforts for collecting the round circular objects, right? Now, as I told you, bring the color paper, any color paper. If you have, it's okay. If you don't have, do after the class this activity.
ma'am,
Right?
I'm showing you the 24 objects.
Take A4 size one paper. And show me your A4 size paper to me. Everyone, show me your A4 size paper.
Ma'am, see these 24 objects.
Yes, who is showing me?
Vihan.
Okay, Vihan Dobaria. Let me pin you. Very good. After
Ma'am,
taking
I am also
A4
the winner.
size paper, see, suppose I have also
Excuse
taken
me,
this
ma'am.
A4. Yes.
By mistake, I am also the winner. I
Okay.
also have the same 24.
Very good.
Tej Kumar, Vihan, and I, all of us have 24 objects.
Okay,
Ma'am,
okay. Good,
I
good.
can show my 24 objects.
We will see later on. Yeah. Show me 1 minute and then we start the next activity. Yes, we can really enjoy to see all these 24 objects. Tej Kumar, you want to speak something on this?
No, ma'am.
Good. Okay. So now take A4 size paper. Take rounder in your hand. If you have the rounder, I told you. Now, how to fit the pencil in this rounder? Take rounder. Take one pencil. Your point of put pencil in that. Your point of pencil and the point of the rounder should be come same like this. You can put it on some down here. Suppose it's visible to you all from the camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, put it down
I
and match
also have it.
whether the level of the pencil and the rounder is same or not. You can check on your finger also. The level of the pencil and the rounder should be the same. And then you have to tight your pencil from here, from the screw. Got it? Till here everyone completed? Open the rounder. कितना भी आपको open करना है, whether this much size, this much, this much, this much. The space you can take according to your choice. Open the rounder. If I'm opening till here, it's your choice. Open it and draw a one big circle on the A4 size paper with the help of the rounder. Draw, students.
Ma'am, in middle.
I
Yes,
don't
you
have.
have to keep this. Wait a minute, I will show you. You don't have, you just see and do after the class. Suppose this, I will draw. Is my board visible to you all? Put it here in the
Yes.
center and start drawing and keep on moving this in the round way. So your full circle will be in the circular shape.
Ma'am, like this.
Yes? Yes, Vihan Dobaria. Show me. Vihan, I'm going to pin you. Okay.
I put the rounder right over.
Yes. Grant, show me you have done. Show me. Now you can check कि कितना round circle बना है, right? टेढ़ा मेढ़ा नहीं है. Can anyone else? Grant showed me. Vihan showed
Hello,
me.
ma'am.
Yes. Mok show me. Very good. Now the circle which you have drawn here on the A4 size paper. Yes, Mania, show me. Tomorrow cut this circle and bring it in the next class. Like this, you have to cut the way I have also cut my circle. Cut this with the scissor and bring it in the next class.
Ma'am, what we have to do with clay?
That we will do in the next coming classes.
Ma'am, we have
Bring-
to draw a big circle or a small circle or
Whichever size, any size.
Bye,
But better you will draw this much size because when I will explain you something in the next class, so you can understand better.
This much only.
This is okay. Yes. So bring.
Ma'am, my one is okay.
Yes, okay. Cut this with the scissor and bring it in the next class. We will do more activities and interesting activities in the next coming classes. Got it? Thank you, students.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.